This is a 2-bed, 1-bath that we're gonna convert to a 3-bed, 2-bath. That will bring in probably an extra $1,200 a month. So the plan is to take this existing kitchen, move it out into the living room, make one giant great room. This becomes a bedroom and a bathroom, 2 existing bedrooms, so really good size, tons of natural light. Look at the bathroom, maybe you don't want to, it's in pretty rough shape. And a lot of these units have balconies and patios. So stay tuned, see what we do here.